When it comes to maintaining a safe and respectful online environment, knowing how to report media in a thread on Twitter from your PC is essential. Here's a step-by-step guide to walk you through the process. First, navigate to the thread where the media content you wish to report is located. It's crucial to identify the specific thread accurately to initiate the reporting process effectively. Next, locate and click or tap on the More icon within the thread. This will reveal additional options that allow you to take specific actions regarding the content. Select the Report option from the list of choices presented. By choosing to report the media, you are taking a proactive step towards addressing any potentially sensitive or inappropriate content. When prompted, select the option that specifies the media displays a sensitive image. This step ensures that Twitter receives the necessary information to address the issue appropriately and swiftly. By reporting media within threads that violate guidelines, you actively contribute to creating a safer and more positive online space for all users. Your efforts in reporting sensitive content play a significant role in upholding community standards and promoting user safety. Thank you for being vigilant and taking the necessary steps to report and address such issues effectively.